Alright. Alright. Simba, it's your turn. YaTish, leave his ball alone. Alright. Go on out there, Simba. Go on. Out. Go out. Go out. Alright. Sit then. Stop. Go left. Go left. Your other left. Okay. Now Simba, you just go out. You just go out. Go. 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 Blackie, come over here. No. Bring the ball to me. Bring that ball back over here to me. Simba, come here. Come here. All right. Go on out there, Blackie. Go out. Go out there. Stop. Go right. Okay, you ready to go again, Simba? Are you? Okay, I'm gonna do a pop-up. This is a pop-up now. Can you catch that? Catch it, catch it. Oh, nice try. Come on, Brownie, over here. Let's give you another try here first. Okay. Go on over there. Go on. Okay, catch it. Catch it. Catch it. Nice try. Are you ready, Black? Stop. Stop. Go back over there. Okay, stop. I'm going to count to 4. 1, 2, 3. No, not yet. Down. 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 I'm going to count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Very good. Alright. Simba, it's to you again. Okay, drop that ball. Quit chewing on it. Just drop the ball. You leave his ball alone. Put it down. Put it down. That's not yours. Okay, now drop it. Alright. I'm going to dry it off. Look at this. Look how gross that is. Okay. You ready? You ready? Where are you? Set? Go. Are you ready? Stop. Go right. Go right. That was good, dogs. That was good. Okay. Okay. Are you ready? You want to go again? Want to go again? Okay. I'm just going to throw this by hand. I hate to touch it, but okay. You ready now? I'm gonna throw it over there. Ready? I want you to catch it. Catch it. Yeah, that's a good boy. Where's yours? I see it. I see it. Get it. Good dogs. Good dogs. All right, Simba. All right, Simba. You ready? Go get it. Good. Good. Okay, Simba. Get that one. That's enough. You'll get stomach cramps. Come on. All right, go on out there. I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. You went a little bit too soon. All right, are you ready? You don't know how to count though, do you? You don't know how to count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you just want to catch the ball. All right, here it goes now. Catch it, catch it, catch it. You have to go faster. Go left. You're good. You're smart. You know your left from your right, don't you? Yes, you know left from right. You know right from wrong, too. What's the difference, huh? Left is the same as wrong, isn't it? Yes. Okay. Whose ball is this? Which one do you want, Blackie? Right? Here. And you always want the same one, don't you? You know which one is yours. No mistaking it. Alright. This is enough for the camera. My hands are getting cold without gloves on. So, off we go.